Remembering the days when your hair looked so managed and stylish all the time. Are you into nostalgia for the perfect look with shiny and bouncy hair when you looked yourself in the mirror, smiled gorgeously looking at your hair? Now you feel so distressed because you have lost something that enhances your beauty and personality. I can feel your pain. I can understand how much stress you are experiencing from struggling with scalp psoriasis. It's really so bad, but no worries. You can still live in the dream of your perfect look and personality. I will suggest some ideas that will help you manage your scalp psoriasis and hair health. Hello and good afternoon, everyone. In today's video, I'll tell you some simple tips that will help you to manage your scalp health and hair health. All my hair care tips are going to be simple and easy to do. Only ask for some natural things that go well with your scalp psoriasis. So stay tuned and watch every tip without skipping a single second of this video. In scalp psoriasis, your hair looks rough, frizzy, dirty and entangled with white silvery flakes and dandruff. When you comb, they fall out in the numbers in your hand. I know you feel disappointed to see a bunch of hair strands in your hand and looking for a solution that will help you gently clean your hairs. Well, I tell you the first tip. You must use filtered water or distilled water to wash your hairs. Hard water can make your hair more dry and rough as it contains heavy metals and minerals that break down collagens. On your scalp, it can aggravate your scalp psoriasis, making it more itchy and scaly. Just take a gallon or a filtered water, add some Epsom salt to it and use this water whenever you wash your hair. Well, the second tip, you must consider it not to use cosmetic and chemical-based shampoo on your scalp. See, some cosmetic products are loaded with high reactive and deep penetrating chemicals that can worsen your scalp psoriasis or skin, even damage your hairs. Shampoo containing sulfate, parabens and fragrance can irritate your scalp leading to more psoriasis flare-ups and dandruffs. You can either use a mild shampoo free from harsh chemicals or you can use a paste containing amla, retha and shikakai. This is a natural and a herbal version of shampoo that will clean your scalp effectively, plus it will also contain soothe inflammation, making your hair strong and shiny. Alright, the next tip is to use aloe vera on your scalp and hair. See, aloe vera is known for its medical and cosmetic value. It is antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and a great moisturizer. You have seen several products, be they herbal or cosmetic, have aloe vera in them as the main ingredient. So now you can figure out how aloe vera is beneficial for your scalp health if it applied topically. Okay, I will explain to you how you can apply aloe vera on the scalp. Take a fresh leaf of aloe vera, cut it into two separate layers and take out the pulp from it. Apply this pulp on your scalp gently and smoothly. Be aware, rub it gently on your scalp, and rubbing harshly on your scalp can irritate the skin and worsen psoriasis. Remove this paste by rinsing it with a mild shampoo and a filtered water. Many a time you use creams, lotions, hair serums loaded with high chemicals that give your hair a good look that time, but later on you will find hair dull, entangled and frizzy. These chemical-based products can also aggravate your scalp psoriasis, making it more difficult to manage it. Okay, so you may be thinking of another alternative that may suit you the best, plus it gives the same look to the hair as these cosmetic products do. You can apply tea tree oil infused in the coconut oil. Add 2-3 drops of a tea tree oil in 2-3 tablespoons of coconut oil and apply it to your scalp. Leave it for 30 minutes and rinse it with a mild shampoo. This will soothe your scalp and remove flakes, giving your hair a natural look and shine. Well, I'm sure everyone is aware of potential benefits of neem in the skin disease. Yes, neem has been used for several years for its antimicrobial properties. I think the first herbal ingredient is top of the list is treating skin disease is neem. Now, no doubt, it is a natural and effective. But do you know how you can use neem to drive it more benefits? Well, I'm going to tell you a remedy that will help you and your scalp psoriasis to manage your hair so well. Take 20 to 30 fresh leaves of neem, grind it to make a fine paste. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and a small piece of camphor into it. Mix them well. First, check it on your hand skin. If it does not irritate your skin, then apply it on the scalp and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now you can rinse your hair with a mild shampoo. Now, my sixth tip is to manage scalp psoriasis is to avoid exposing your head and scoring sunlight. Yes, I know sunlight is important for us as it helps to maintain vitamin D level, which is beneficial in autoimmune disorder. But exposing your head directly to the sunlight can worsen your scalp psoriasis, leading it more red scale and flakes. It is much better to take sunlight after 1 hour of the sunrise and avoid direct contact with the sunlight on your head. Well, all these are application based remedies, but do you know what else can worsen your psoriasis? Not even a psoriasis, but any health condition. It is your stress. Yes, stress can worsen your psoriasis as it disturbs the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which might be helped to reduce inflammation. You can do exercise, deep breathing, walking, jogging to avoid stress, thus relieve your scalp psoriasis. I hope you figure out my psoriasis and hair care tips. Well, these all are about how you can better manage your hair health and scalp psoriasis. But you need to understand that these conditions can only manage your psoriasis condition, not to treat it permanently. To treat your psoriasis, you should try out medicines that should not be hard on your system and treat you side effect free. If you are looking for such a treatment, then homeopathy is your answer. Yes, homeopathic effectively treats patient and it's side effect free. We at Bharat Homeopathy have a strong record of treating scalp psoriasis patients worldwide. With extensive experience of many years, we treat patients by considering their constitution and give them personalized and customized treatment. If you are a scalp psoriasis patient and looking for a treatment that can make you psoriasis free, then you are worth watching this video. You can give us a call and talk to us today. We would be happy to serve you as we have served thousands of scalp psoriasis patients globally. If you found my video helpful, please like it and share it with others who might be benefit from it. Thanks and have a nice day.